out. So the Mark 6 has the Christmas tree of the year on it, but it also has a really bad steering wheel, and it just wants to track really bad to the right. So that's definitely gonna need to get fixed today. I'm just so sick of it. I literally live in the middle of nowhere. This is, hey, where's the stance tractors at? Railroad tracks like this might be the cause of my steering, but I just can't pinpoint what the true TT's still sitting over here. Hasn't started in about a week. I don't really want to talk about it, but I got parts on the way. Oh, it's so cold outside right now. It's like 20 degrees with a wind chill of like 12. I'm big chilling, but we've got the X1 parked over here so I can take its garage spot, and I'm actually gonna head on over to Burger King first. Got to get my nourishment, of course. So the Mark 6 constantly goes in a limp mode because it's got a clogged DPF, so I just cycle the key as I'm driving. But I'm gonna build myself like a 304 stainless 3-inch like downpipe, or do like a hood exit or a fender dump or something like that. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think I should do, because I'm really undecided. I really want to maybe go out the back, but I'm not really sure yet. Oh, brother, this line got the dually in front of me. I mean, 24 valve has no rot holes in it. It's got a red diff cover. This thing is looking fresh, my guy. Two TDIs in the garage. What a view. I can't wait till I get my own space, but thankfully Mama K is letting me use her little spot in the garage today because I don't want to move the Mark 5. But the alignment is way off. It's not terrible. I've had the same set of tires for 2 years and the alignment has been the same. But when I did the coilovers, it got a little more jacked up, and it's definitely tracking this way a lot more. The wheel sits to the left. The wheels, they sit to the right. So I'm just gonna go ahead, jack each side up, do an eyeball, and then just take it for a test drive. So I'll set up the string alignment that I used for the tilted TDI. And the string is touching in the front here, not touching in the back, which means that it's got toe out. And then it's not touching here in the front of this one. So once I bring that front wheel in, I can bring the line in, and then this is gonna be touching. So we're gonna start with this side first. Perfect. I just loosened up the jam nut, and then I spun the tie rod a full 360 degrees because it wasn't that far of adjustment. I'm gonna throw the wheel back on. I'm gonna do the same exact adjustment to the other side accordingly if it's the same gap. And I'll just rip it out of the garage and see how she rips. We are touching in the rear, and we're touching in the front. And this is all ballpark, but you guys can see this isn't bent no way, shape, or form. And I'm feeling good about that, so I'm gonna go ahead and run on over to the other side. And I'm just gonna spin it 360, hopefully. So the passenger side was towed out, and this actually, the driver's side is towed in. So I'm actually gonna spin it 180 degrees, the opposite way I spun that way. 180 degrees, I watched it come out. Hopefully it's nice and straight now. Anything's gonna be better than what it was though. It was completely towed out that way and towed in this way. Let's hope. That, the tire's on. Contact on both sides, front and rear. Let's take this thing out and drive it. I'm gonna head on over to the gas station, and then we're gonna head on over to the skate park. But it's freaking cold out here, so I'm all bundled up. I don't know what we're gonna be able to do, but let's go shred. And I'm super excited to go rip the back roads with a proper alignment now. Been needing it. No need to freak out, but we only have 10 miles till E. Will we make it? Find out in about 3 seconds. So when I take my hand off, it does fairly well. I'll give it 7 out of 10.
I went to Sussex County College for film production.
Oh, did boy Chris literally made that whole pile of cigarettes. I'm blown away. I've never seen anything like that. If you guys ever seen a bigger pile of cigarettes in a mulch bed, you let me know. Talk about a fire hazard. Wheel, it's honestly doing much better than I said before. I'm pretty happy with it. Look at me. I'm mobbing right now. No hands, no knee on the wheel. I'm killing it. Holy Jesus! I feel like I'm in a freezer, but that sun is burning my eyeballs. That sun has no regard for human life. Hey look, a 5th gen. Perfect. So funny thing is that when I had the wheels off, I was looking at the brakes and they're basically thinner than a quarter on its side. So we're gonna need to change the brakes. I don't know if I should get ceramics from like AutoZone or should I just order some ceramics or just normal pads from ECS. Definitely let me down in the comments because, you know, I kind of like the whole handling portion of this car. And I know a lot of you guys might be into handling, so these turns are so nice. I love taking them in the TT, but the TT's down right now. You guys will see in future videos all the stuff that's gone on with that. But that car hasn't moved in like a week or so, and it's really depressing. And we're gonna get her fixed. We gotta do some burnouts. That wasn't me, but someone was having a good time. Not gonna lie to you guys, still got the BK on my side. I only had like 8 nuggets and 1 rodeo burger. Burger King just was not tasting good today. It tasted like a greasy, sloppy mess. It's a creepy old man in the woods. He's got 2 lions with him. He's just mobbing, minding his own business. He's got Lucky and Shorty with him. No leash, no leash. They're just vibing. It's a magical sight. Perfect. Road till it got dark outside. Couldn't feel my fingers any longer. I'm finishing up the last 10 of these chicken nuggets. So good. We're about to hit 30K, so just keep running up, guys. I appreciate you so much. Remember, your build is unique to you, and just keep smiling. Peace.